You know, it's kind of a little strange. The vlog from yesterday, although the last week. Well, stupidly, I forgot that I've done a year of vlogs now. We're on like day 370, I do believe. So I've done vlogs for pretty much every day of the year. I say pretty much because there were some days that I didn't vlog. Uh, like there were 7 weeks in the last year that we've done, including the last week, including yesterday. Um, but and there were a few days I didn't vlog, like the weekend update things. But for a year, I pretty much recorded about 300 days of my life. And when you think about it, that's pretty ridiculous. Although, if you look at somebody like Stephen George and Mal, Steven's been vlogging for 4 years, uh, pretty much, and I don't. Well, 5 years. I think it's going to be this November, but that's crazy. I don't know how he's managed to keep his mind sane for this long, making sure he vlogs every day. In the like 1 year I've done it, because this is a refresher of the vlogs. I used to vlog like maybe once every other day, um, but this one I tried doing every day. Obviously, I failed. There were a couple hiccups, but I gotta commend Steven. He's done a wonderful job doing vlogs these last 4 going on 5 years now, I do believe. So, bravo to him. With this new year cycle of vlogs, I'm gonna try to do a lot more changing. I'm gonna try to actually vlog every single day, like no more weekend thing. Um, one weekend update. Uh, Obviously, it's going to take a while to get used to, so there might be a couple times where I will revert back to that, but I will do my best to keep it up like that. I'm going to try not to do week vlogs anymore. I'm going to try to just, vlog every day. Uh, and that's basically my goals. But yeah, a whole year. Wow. Well, we're past a year now. A couple days past a year. 5, I think. Yeah. But crazy, absolutely crazy. It's around this time last year, maybe to the day, I don't really remember, that I got my desktop, which I'm recording the vlog off of because my Logitech software is still busted up, so, uh, yeah, it's crazy. I've had this thing for a year. Both vlog, camera, well, not the webcam, but it's nuts. It's been a fun ride, and I hope to make this ride last for a long time to come. So, to that, if I could get it open. To that, cheers. Thank you so much for this last year. It's been awesome. Hopefully, you'll stick around for many more years to come. Thank you for watching this vlog, and I will see you tomorrow, where I guess you could say a new format begins. So, see you then.